Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Pably, your one-stop solution for business automation and growth. And in this session, I am going to show you how to turn your festive seasons into a massive revenue opportunities. Whether it is Diwali, Holi, Eid, Christmas, New Year, or any seasonal sale, you will learn how to craft irresistible broadcasts that grab attention, boost engagement, and drive instant conversions. If you want to supercharge your sales, build excitement, and make every festive campaign a winner, then this is the perfect guide for you. So here you can see I have created this broadcast inside my Pably Chatflow account and I have scheduled it for a particular date, and I have also sent it to a customer of mine to test how this particular broadcast will look to my customer. So if I will open my WhatsApp account, here you can see, and this is how my customer will see the broadcast when I send it to them. Here you can see I have written this: Hi Jai Tripathi, Shopwebs India's festive sale is live. Enjoy exclusive Christmas deals. And here I have provided details about this particular deal, and I have also given my customer these two different buttons to select from. They can either talk to this support or they can either shop directly from my website by clicking on this button given here. So this is how my customer will see the broadcast when I will send it to them. Now I will show you how you can also create such an amazing WhatsApp broadcast for yourself to boost your business sale. So to start creating this broadcast, first of all we have to navigate up to the dashboard of Pably Chatflow. So for that we just have to go on a new tab and enter this pably.com/chatflow. By pressing this enter key, I will get directed on this landing page, and in here I can see these two different buttons, sign in and sign up free, are visible to me. So if I'm a new user, then I will click on this sign up free button to create a free account for myself, and by creating a free account I can avail 100 free credits that Pably Chatflow gives to every new customer every new month. And if I'm an existing user, then I will click on this sign in button. But before we move further, I would like to share with you guys some details about Pably's Facebook community. Pably has this amazing Facebook community of over 20,000 members where individuals share their ideas and ask questions from our experts. Here we build and grow together. So if you also want to become part of such an amazing community, then for that you just have to check out the link that I have added in the description box of this video. So you can go and join our community from there. Now being an existing user, I will go back to this landing page of Pably Chatflow, and in here I will click on this sign in button. This will get me directed on this all apps page of Pably, where Pably has this 7 amazing and powerful applications. But today, as we are going to use this Pably Chatflow, that's why I will click on this access now button. This will get me directed on this dashboard of Pably Chatflow. Now as we are inside this dashboard, first of all we have to add my WhatsApp number inside my Pably Chatflow account. So I can do that by clicking on this button given on the right side here, and I can select any of these two different methods, WhatsApp Connect method or manual token connect method, to add my WhatsApp number inside Pably Chatflow. And on the left side here you can see Pably Chatflow has this following amazing features. So if you want to learn in detail about any of these following features, or if you want to learn how to add your WhatsApp number inside Pably Chatflow, then for that also you just have to check out the link of those videos that I have added in the description box of this video. And after adding your WhatsApp number, to start creating a broadcast for yourself, you have to click on this broadcast here on the left side here. After that you will get directed on this particular page where you can click on this button add broadcast to start creating a broadcast for yourself. So I will click on this particular button add broadcast, and in here I will complete the setup of my broadcast. So first of all, for this select broadcast type, I will click on this drop down and I will select this broadcast campaign, as I want to create a broadcast for myself. And then first of all we have to give a name to this broadcast. So I will name my broadcast Christmas Sale Blast Shopweb India. And for this contact list, you can see when I will click on this drop down, these are the contact lists that I have created for myself. So from this particular list, I will select this particular offers list which I have created to send this particular festival offers to my customers. Now if you want to create a contact list for yourself, that I will tell you by the end of this video, but now for now I will set up this broadcast. So you can see if we have selected the contact list, now we will move further, and for this select message type, you can see I can either select this pre-approved template message or this regular message. So if I will go with this regular message, then I have to type down that particular text which I want to send to my customer. But there is a condition with this particular regular message, that I can send this regular message only to those customers, those who are active with me for the last 24 hours. But there is no such condition for this pre-approved template message. And with the help of this template feature of Pably Chatflow, I have already created a template and got it approved by Meta. So how you can create a template for yourself, that I will also tell you you by the end of this video. But right now, when I will click on this select WhatsApp template button, these are all the templates that I have created for myself. This is the template festive sales which I have created to boost my festival sales. And in here you can see, as I have created these three different dynamic fields, this customer name, this festival name, and this offer percent. Now we have to enter all of these fields one by one. So first of all, for this customer name, I will enter this particular contact custom field which I have created to store the name of my customer which was given by them. So here you can see I have used this $sign and this contact custom field. With the help of this, I can map the name of my customer easily. So if you want to create a contact custom field for yourself, that I will tell you too by the end of this video. And in place of this festival name, you can enter the name of whatever festival you want. So as I have created this for Christmas sale, so I will enter this particular keyword Christmas in here. After that, for this offer percent, in this also you can add any amount of offer which you want to offer to your customers. So as I wanted to offer 50%, so I have entered this 50 here. So here you can see this 50% got changed, this Christmas got changed, and this dollar full name. As soon as I will send this template to my customer, their name will get mapped here. So here I have successfully completed these following details. Now I just have to upload an image here which I have also downloaded. So you can see when I will click on this particular box, you can see this is the image which I want to upload. So I will select it from here and I will open it in here. Now you can see this is how my particular image will look to my customer. Now I will click on this done button as I have entered all of these following details. Now I will scroll down and you can see here this option is given to us so that we can test our broadcast at first before sending it to bulk of our customers. So first of all, I will enter the username inside this box as Jay, and inside this box I will enter my number, and then I will click on this send test message. After that, you will see that our test broadcast is sent successfully. So I will open my WhatsApp account, and in here you can see I have entered only Jay here, but this particular template has detected successfully the name of my customer and it has mapped it here successfully. And here this is how my customer will receive their templates for themselves. So this means that my template is all right. So I will go back to the Pabbly chat flow, and here we will complete the setup of our broadcast. Now just this last step is remaining where we can schedule our broadcast. So if I will go with this yes, then I can schedule this broadcast for later. But if I want to send it instantly, then I will just click on this no button and I will click on this add broadcast. But as I want to schedule it for later, so I will just click on this yes button. After that, from this particular calendar here, I will select the particular date. So you can see as the Christmas is on 25th of December, so that's why I will send this particular template to my customers on 24th of December at 6 p.m. So I will click on this particular OK. So here I have successfully selected the date and time for which I want to schedule this broadcast, and now I will click on this add broadcast. After that, you can see here this broadcast has been scheduled successfully for this particular December of 24th date. So this is how you can set up a broadcast for yourself. Now I will tell you all of these details one by one which I have mentioned while creating this broadcast. So first of all, let us learn how you can create a contact list for yourself. So for that, you have to go in this contacts, and if you want to add contacts one by one, then for that you have to click on this add contacts button. You can either add single contacts one by one, or you can add bulk contacts at once by adding a CSV file inside this particular box. After that, when you will click on this add contacts button, all of these contacts will get added inside your Pabbly chat flow account. And if you want to create a list of out of all of those contacts, then you just have to click on this plus button, and when you will give a name to your contact list, add tag, you can select the opted status, incoming status, or you can also select those contact custom fields which you want to store. So you can see I will click on this drop down and I will select this particular contact custom field full name which I have created to store the full name of my customer, and this is the exact same contact custom field that I have selected while making my broadcast. And with the help of this contact custom field only, this template has automatically detected the name of my customer. So I will go back, and to add a contact list, I just have to click on this add button, and after that you will see that your contact list will get added successfully, and then later you can select this contact list inside your broadcast. And now I will tell you how you can create a template for yourself. So for that, you have to open this templates from here and select this template list. Now inside here, you have to click on this add template button given on the right side here to start creating a template for yourself. Then first of all, I will select the category of my template. I can select either marketing, utility, or authentication. So if I want to market anything, then I will select this particular marketing. Then we have to give a name to our template. So I will give this name as testing, and you can see there is a rule for this name, that name can only be in lowercase, alphanumeric characters and underscores. Special characters and white spaces are not allowed. And here this example is also given to us. Now for this language, I will select it as English, but you can select any other language as per your preference. For this template type, you can either select text, image, video, document or anything else from this list. Now for this header, this is optional, but if you want to enter this, then you can type it down any text inside this particular box and that header will get added successfully. And you are allowed a maximum of 60 characters to make this header. Now inside this template format, we have to enter the body of our template, and here you can see this example is also given to us. We can enter this particular text, so I will just copy it from here and I will paste it inside this box. Here you can see this particular 1 and 2 has been created as a dynamic field for your template. So if you want to create a one more dynamic field, then for that you just have to open the curly bracket, close them, and just in front of this, when you will enter this 3, you can see here your new dynamic field is created successfully. And if you want to add any footer, then you can also do that by typing down the text inside this box. And for this interactive actions, we have given this 4 different options: none, call to actions, quick replies, or this all. So if you want to select any one of them, then you can select that, and after that you just have to click on the submit button to finally submit your template for approval by Meta. So this is how you can create a template for yourself. Now we will move towards our final step, how you can create a contact custom field. So for that you have to go on the settings and you have to select this contact custom fields features. In here you can see these are all the contact custom fields that I have created for myself. So to add one more field, I just have to click on this button, and after giving a name to my custom field, when I will click on this save button, you will see that this custom field will get created successfully. Now I can access this contact custom field inside my flows or inside my broadcast. So with this, I have successfully demonstrated to you how you can create a contact custom field, how you can create a template, how you can create a contact list, and at the top of that, I have demonstrated you how you can schedule a broadcast for yourself with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So if you like this video, then please consider subscribing to Pabbly's YouTube channel, and for more such amazing videos, please do comment below on which topics do you want to see videos from us. And thank you for watching this video. Not just this, you can create many more WhatsApp chatbots to automate your business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. And for your queries, you can ask them at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you have to check up this following website. Now, what are you waiting for? Just go and create your free account at Pabbly Chatflow.